Ibrahim Traore abusuya since he said obe take over as the president for the good people of Burkina Faso on the 30th September 2022 abusuya. He has been doing a lot for the country, and I spotted the video online abusuya. He has been able to change the minds of the people. Yakase will be etimasesa ne timemufu adwenya. This is what Ibrahim Traore is doing. He has developed the country to the extent that he don't even need to command the people that go and do this, go and do that. But someone who say someone is developing the country or the president is bringing any initiative for a good for the country, each and everyone is going to help. Let me play the video for you guys to watch, but before then, make sure to subscribe to the platform on YouTube. Now, if you already have to post notifications, there will be update you'll be able to get it on our platform. Hi, Karma Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Now, let me take you through the reason why Ibrahim Traore is going down as one of the best presidents to ever come from Africa. Yes, because in Kofi Bibina Abaye Asi Echum, and we can make mention of those who fought for independence for most of the African countries. Mandela, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and then Pierre Lumumba, and a lot more. But current one, I can't say witness it because way back then I wasn't born, so it was history. It was something written down. And but this time around, there is a man who is taking over, doing the things that our forefathers did, that lead us to gain the independence, and most of the African countries are enjoying our freedom because of the fight and then the pushing of what our forefathers did for the country and the continent. Ibrahim Traore has been developing Burkina Faso for a very long time. He took over on 30th September 2022, and since then this man has been trending and trending, and not on the negative side but on the positive side. I spotted this video online whereby these people, there was this road construction going on, but when you look at those people at the back helping now, it is not contractors, and they are paid to come and do the work, but the citizens voluntarily, they are volunteer to work for the country, and then they saw say, okay, road construction is going on here, and then they go there, and whatever they went there to do is that they are going to extend a helping hand. No more buane ya ye kwan no. Now let's watch the video. When we come back, we talk more about it. Video we able to abont in abusuyan kofo bebrebe na for asem no omoka wasem. Most people are saying say that be which part of Africa, the blacks community, and I over West Africa say here blacks, which part of Africa do you think say that be people can go out to the extent that the government is doing a road construction on the road, and then will be a there is no business, there is no 20 million or 30 million US dollars road construction going in there. It is the citizens that are using their bare hands to do the road, because it's okay. We need a pedestrian crossing, and we need this kind of walkway side. I was say yet one to extend, to help people move freely without involving an accident. And then these people came out. They didn't go to work. They didn't charge the government to pay them before they work, but they went out to extend a helping hand. Said that if the government is doing this thing, then why wouldn't I just go and help? And they are doing it for free. But in some certain countries in Africa, when you go there, you hear, okay, we are needing $20 million to construct Accra to Kumasi highway. We need 20 million. We need 50 million. We need 30 million to fill the potholes on the Kumasi Accra highway. And then even the contractors, if they take the money, they will not construct the road very well, because they will be saying that the government didn't do full payment into one loan, and they are so that he is waiting for. So you see, if we say Ibrahim Traore is working, when you hear this man telling you may feel like, okay, just overhyping. We are just, the man is overrated. The things that he is doing, and yet it's not only on the development of the country, but changing the minds of the people is what people are talking over here. Says that So about a development that we have seen more advanced countries than Burkina Faso, and the president over there are doing very well. When we can talk of, Rwanda, Paul Kagame, he is doing a lot for Rwanda, if I may say, because I've been seeing his videos online. But Captain Ibrahim Traore is changing the mindset of the people. He is making them feel like this is our own. No one can develop the country for us. It is we that have to take the power into our own hands and develop the country. Stonebwoy said it in a song. They never love Mama Africa like we do. Yes, they will never love the continent like how Africans are going to love the continent, because it is where we were born and raised, and it is where we live. So Captain Ibrahim Traore, if you see this man trending on the social media space, it is not that this man is overrated, or the people are hyping this man. No, it is not something like that. But the thing is, the man is working. When you look at the project that he has brought in the country, bringing tractors, improving in the farming sector, improving in the business sector, and everything is working fine in the country. Developing a country is not like a day thing. Yes, it's a process, and this is what he is doing. Changing the people's mind alone is a big problem in this continent, because don't throw your waste away. Put them in the bin. They will not do that. Let me know your comments under the comment section, because Ibrahim Traore, this man is really working, and he needs our recognition. We don't have to let this man die before we come and say he was working, but we couldn't see it in our times. Yes, because we read the history saying that those who fought for the country, they were betrayed. Those who fought for the country were betrayed by their best friends. Thomas Sankara, Kwame Nkrumah, and Pierre Lumumba was betrayed by his own country. You see, when you read about Africa, you could see the leaders that fought for the continent, most of them were betrayed by their own people. But this time around, Burkina Faso, the people over there, he's changing the mindset of the people so that they will get to know that no one can develop the country like we. Let me see your comments under the comment section, because the man is really working, and we need to talk about him always. Yes. Hi, Karma Studios. As I said earlier, kindly give us a like, subscribe, share this video to your friends and your loved ones, so that they will also get to know what this man is really doing. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out.